new members. This year, karamihan new members. Yung mga dati ng members, meron ba? Yan. So, alam ko, there are still a lot of members outside. So, thank you for coming today. Para ma-divert naman, kasi alam ko, you're very busy with schoolworks. Okay? Lalo na ngayon, to finals na. I can see some of my former students nandito. Okay? From pharmacy. So, we have representatives from College of Architecture, Fine Arts. Yan, mga taga-Fine Arts. Marami tayong staff, di ba, na taga-Fine Arts. Marami members ng Fine Arts. From AMB, College of Accountancy. Dito sa record. How about from the College of Engineering, Faculty of Engineering? Para mga staff naman ng EBs are from Engineering. AB. Mas maraming AB. Nursing. Nursing. Pharmacy.
Pharmacy!
Yes, isa dito sa likod na taga-pharma. So, thank you. I know that all of you have different expectations on why you actually joined the Tomasha Nihon Kyokai. Lahat tayo, may iba't ibang dahilan kung bakit tayo nag-join. Some of you, because they love anime, some, mangas. Ako, personally, I'm a big fan of mangas and J-pop. Okay? Meron ba dito fan ng Arashi kasama ko? Wala. Yes, go! Nasuportahan ako ng mga ibis ko. Ayan. So, I hope that you'd enjoy the activities that the executive board and the staff of Tomasha Nihon Kyokai has prepared for you this afternoon. So, maraming games, and daming prizes sa likod. So, this is one way also for you to know, to get to know the members and the staffs, the executive board of the organization, and another way for you to enjoy and to love the Japanese culture. So once again, welcome and thank you for coming.
Once again, thank you, Mama Luna, for the very wonderful remarks. Okay. So guys, before we start with our program, we'll have a very short icebreaker. So, for the